Morning, everyone. Jackie Broman here for Join Jackie Mondays at 10. So every Monday, I pop in here to Facebook to give you a short bit of legal information on a particular topic. If there are topics that you want to know more about, please let us know. All these live videos do get saved onto the page. So on the tab, the videos tab on our Facebook page, it's a big resource library, really. So if you or someone you know is facing some kind of legal difficulty or even just wants to find out about something in particular, chances are we've done a video on it. So have a look through there, comment and tag their name in the comments or send it to them via Messenger. Today's topic is about enduring powers of attorney. Now, there's a variety of power of attorney. The enduring one is the one that we primarily focus on to deal with your financial and legal affairs because it is enduring. So it is enduring because it lasts past you losing capacity, which is the main point of it. A general power of attorney ends if your mental capacity ends. So you're still alive but can't do anything for yourself and you don't have a power of attorney. Whereas the enduring one is the opposite. So primarily, we prepare them so that they don't even start until you've lost capacity. So there has to be a medical certificate to say that you can't do things for yourself anymore, either because you've lost the mental capacity or physically you can't do it. And that is when the power of attorney starts. So it's in case of emergency document. Now, you can have it begin immediately if you want to, that's fine. Because you appoint the person that you trust to manage your affairs while you're still mentally sound. You're not giving any of your power away. It's just that someone else can help you do things at the same time if you wanted to. You can put all sorts of conditions in it as well. So often if we say that it begins immediately, we have a clause in there to say, and while I have mental capacity, the person who is my attorney has to act under my direction or in consultation with me. So they can't go off and do things without my say-so. Now, you can have multiple people as your attorney. If you have multiple people, then you have to think about, well, how are they going to make decisions and act? Do they act jointly? So if you have 3 or 4 people, do they all have to countersign everything, which could be practically different, but safer for you? Or do you have them act by majority? Or do you allow them to act joint and severally, which means they can act separately or together? They all have the same authority. We primarily prepare them so they're joint and several because practically that's easier. But then we put an extra clause in to say, however, if it's a matter dealing with a large asset or a piece of real estate, everyone has to act jointly. So it just adds that extra level of protection. With all the elder abuse investigations that have gone over the last 10 years or so, the legislation did change in about 2018. It actually made it a criminal offence for an attorney to act in conflict with the person who prepared the document. So you do have some level of protection now. It used to have to be proved as a fraud under criminal law, which was way too difficult and rare. So it's now its own criminal penalty. Your power of attorney has to act in your best interests, can't act in their own interests, can't mix your funds with theirs, has to account separately for everything, can't gift themselves anything, can't gift their children anything from your funds. So that at least gives you an extra level of certainty around what they can and can't do. So if you do want more information or you want to update your power of attorney to make sure you have those extra clauses in it that I just spoke about, another clause that we put in ours as well is around your digital estate. So all your logins and passwords, giving your power of attorney the authority to be able to log in as you and also to recover passwords if they've gone missing, which they don't otherwise have the authority to do unless you expressly put that in. I hope that's helpful, along with all the other videos that we've got. If there is a topic you want me to cover, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you next Monday for Join Jackie, 10 o'clock on Monday.